Have you ever visited a website and been asked to complete a security check before you could access it? What if that security check was actually a trap designed to steal everything on your computer? Stay with me, because this is something every Windows user needs to know about right now. Hackers have discovered a clever loophole, and they're using it to target everyday Windows users like you and me. Here's how it works. Cybercriminals are compromising legitimate websites, sites that look completely normal and trustworthy. Once they've gained access to those sites, they embed malicious JavaScript code that loads a fake CAPTCHA verification page. This fake page is designed to look almost identical to Cloudflare's real security check interface. So at first glance, everything looks completely legit. Now, you're probably familiar with CAPTCHAs, those little tests websites use to confirm you're a real person and not a bot. They help prevent spam and stop hackers from running automated password cracking attacks. We see them all the time, so most of us don't think twice about them. But here's where this attack gets dangerous. Instead of asking you to click on a traffic light or type in some letters, this fake CAPTCHA page gives you a very specific set of instructions. It tells you to press the Windows key or to open the Run dialog box, then press Ctrl+V to paste something, and finally hit Enter to complete the so-called verification. Here's what's actually happening behind the scenes. Before you even follow those steps, the attackers have already silently preloaded a malicious PowerShell command onto your clipboard. So when you paste it into the Run box and hit Enter, you're unknowingly executing dangerous malware on your own computer with no browser download warnings, no security pop-ups, and no red flags. This technique is known as clickfix, and the malware being delivered is called StealC, an information stealing malware. Once it's running on your system, StealC can steal your saved browser login credentials, cryptocurrency wallets, Steam account details, Microsoft Outlook credentials, system information, and even take screenshots of your screen. All of that stolen data is then sent off to the hacker's remote server. The reason this attack is so effective is simple: it exploits your trust. Everything looks legitimate. You think you're just completing a routine security check, but in reality, you're handing hackers direct access to your personal data. So what should you do to protect yourself? The most important thing to remember is this: no legitimate website will ever ask you to open your Run dialog box, paste something in, and press Enter as part of a verification process. That is not how real CAPTCHAs work ever. If you visit a website and see a security check asking you to follow those kinds of steps, close the page immediately. Do not follow the instructions, no matter how real it looks. Stay alert, stay cautious, and always question anything that seems even slightly unusual when you're browsing online. A few seconds of skepticism could save you from a serious security nightmare. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.